So if you look at this picture, it says, given that you have those two sides right here congruent, how does angle 1 compare to angle 2? There's one set of congruent sides. Where is the other set of congruent sides? The transversal, the reflexive side, right? This is the shared side. So it's because you have two sides congruent, then you can compare the angles that are in between them. Look across from it. Angle 1 creates the side across from it, 34. Angle 2 creates this side, 33. So which angle should be larger, do you think? Angle 1, because the side across from it's larger. Yeah. That's what we're doing today. So it's really similar to what we did yesterday, except you have to look at two triangles. So angle 1 is greater than angle 2. If inequalities confuse you, this is what that says. Because the side across from angle 2 is smaller than the side across from angle 1. So you are looking at these two segments. I want to know is which one of these segments is longer. You need to look at the angles across from it. Here's the problem. You don't have the angles across from them right now. You almost do. But you actually have the exterior angles. So right now you know that this one is 90. So the one right next to it, those two angles have to add up to 180 degrees. What is the one right next to it? What would it be, Abby? 90? Yeah. Because 90 plus 90 is 180. Okay. That one's 90. Because they have to add up to 180. Look at this one down here. It says that this outside angle is 80 degrees. It's not talking about the inside one. It creates a linear pair, which means it's supplementary. So the angle right next to it needs to be how many degrees? 100. It's 100 plus 180. Or 100 plus 80 is 180. Okay, now look at the sides across from them. Which side should be longer, the blue one or the red one? The red one. Yeah, car B then is farther from the mall because the angle across from it is bigger. And so it's like a doorway. The more you open the door, this is called hinge theorem. The more you open the hinge of the door, the wider the opening becomes. So just looking at the picture, you probably want to focus on LM and PS. Which of these is true based on what you currently have? A, B, C, or D? Because that's the only thing you can conclude. All these other stuff you can't get from this picture. The only thing you can talk about from me is the side across from an angle. Then this side, QR, would have to be longer than QS. So you'd have to say QR is greater than QS. So it's asking which is longer, QR or QS. Oh, I guess it's RQ. So it tells you which angle is bigger. It says that QPR is bigger or greater than QPS. So since that angle is larger, then the side across from it's larger. So on the next one, if you know that RQ is smaller than SQ, so if this is the small side, and this is the big side, then which angle is larger? It's asking, so it'd be SPQ, because the one across from it is the larger angle. Just a reminder,